Duo Mobile's Instant Restore feature seamlessly migrates your Duo protected accounts when you get a new iPhone or reset your device. In order to take advantage of Instant Restore, your administrator must have enabled this feature for you in the Duo admin panel. On your old phone, check to make sure that iCloud Backup and iCloud Keychain are enabled. In addition, ensure that an iCloud backup of your old phone has been recently performed. Instant Restore requires Duo Mobile for iOS version 3.33.0 or newer. Duo protected accounts are distinct from third-party accounts. Duo protected accounts are typically managed by your company, university, or other organization and are used to access things like your email. Third-party accounts can only be used to generate passcodes and do not support Duo Push. Please reference the third-party restore sections of the end-user guide for more information on restoring third-party accounts. In this video, we will show you how to use Instant Restore on iOS. First, set up your new phone by restoring it from a recent iCloud backup of your old phone. Then simply download Duo Mobile on your new phone. Open Duo Mobile and tap Get Started. The app will automatically look for your existing accounts and attempt to restore them. Upon completing the restoration, you will see a message indicating the process was successful and be brought to the account list in the Duo Mobile app. You can now use Duo Mobile to authenticate into protected applications. If you use Duo Mobile to protect third-party accounts and enable Duo Restore for third-party accounts, you will be prompted for your recovery password to regain access to those accounts. To learn more about Instant Restore, visit guide.duo.com/duo-restore.